the potential for engagement in India has grown, I think, exponentially within the last year or so. My colleague, Mrs. Thakur, pointed out the context of the problem, but I think it's worth reiterating that what's going to happen in terms of the urban dimension in India is something which is unprecedented in the history of mankind. By the year 2050 or so, nearly 900 million Indians will require fresh tenements, places to stay, which is more than the needs of Europe, China, the USA combined many times over. And what's driving this huge surge towards urbanization is the fact that the disparities between urban and rural incomes are now almost 10:1. I think in 1950 it was 1:1, and this 10:1 is not going to change unless agricultural productivity increases, which is a huge separate issue. I'm normally somewhat puzzled when I have to talk about smart cities because it means so many things to so many people. And I think it's important to cull out what is the essential kernel, as it were. There are requirements in terms of drinking water, in terms of waste management, in terms of water reuse, in terms of urban transport, which I believe are critical, in terms of affordable housing. To this, you can marry a digital domain or technology to improve processes. But the digital interface is no substitute for the fact we need 24/7 drinking water.